The U.S. government has allocated $176 million to Moderna to expedite the development of a pandemic influenza vaccine, specifically targeting bird flu cases in dairy cows across the country. This funding aims to support Moderna's ongoing mRNA based vaccine research, initially designed for bird flu, which is H5N1. If early trials prove successful, additional funds will enable late stage trials next year. Importantly, the project remains flexible to adapt to emerging influenza threats beyond H5N1, the Associated Press is reporting. Administered through the Biomedical Advanced Research and Development Authority, this initiative underscores efforts to prepare medical responses for potential pandemics, despite the current low risk to the general population posed by the detected cases.